guys, welcome to another vlog, and we are here right now at Ayala Mall, Manila Bay, because we will going to celebrate my grandfather's birthday. Ang dami, di ba, grandfathers? So, celebrate natin ang birthday ng aking grandpa, and I'm with my sisi at my brother Charles and my grandpa. So, punta tayo sa ating destination, which is sa Tongyang tayo kakain. So, let's go! Malapit na tayo sa Tongyang. Actually, ito na yung Tongyang. Nasa loob na yung uncle ko, lola ko, and mga tita ko. So, ito. Dito tayo kakain sa Tongyang Plus, Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So, there.
Ayun na mas vlog kasi.
Dito na si Angkong.
Bestseller po namin dyan, ma'am, sir, satay, laksa, mushroom.
Ayun, satay, langka.
Si Angkong doon, kapag silang dalawa.
Ay, bestseller din ito.
Satay, laksa.
Guys, we have just arrived and let's see what they can offer. So first we have the dessert here. Here, the big scoop ice creams. Here. Ayun, shorty. And sweet and sour. Sa camera. Alright guys, so nakakuha na tayo ng mga kainin natin. I got strawberry lemon juice, and then ito ang lalagay natin siya dito sa ating soup. So there. Yan. So let's try this one first. That's it.
Kita mo, breakfast namin, lechon,
Ayan, may date po silang dalawa. Si Emma at si Ang. And I have my beautiful titas here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday, maligayang birthday. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang birthday. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Ano picture tayo?
Picture.
Picture
Tingin, angkong. Sa pa, angkong tingin. Yan. Thank you. Tingnan natin. Yan. Alright guys, so tapos na kami mag-dinner and celebrated my brother and
sige.
grandpa's birthday. Okay, so ngayon maglalaro muna kami ng Wawa claw machine with the siblings. Kaya nga lakad-lakad muna tayo. Buti lang guys, hindi ko masyadong dinamay na kinain ko kasi alam ko na mangyayari. Sasabugan siya. Uy, meron din sa taas oh. Dami oh. So guys, we are here right now at Ayala Mall number 1 and crafts. So maglalaro tayo ngayon ng claw machine. So ito. Wala, ang cute nung cat to. Go grab.
Hey, give me a round.
You try. Go Charles. Oh, almost. Meron ka?
Tinay ko yung bakit. Kaya ko ba? Hindi ko na pakagad.
Kauyaw.
Putik. Nasang butahe ako.
Hindi mo nakita.
Hindi ko nakita. Parang bilis umubos.
Yes. Mhm. Oh. One more.
Again. Tignan natin.
Oh.
Natulog.
Ako naman videoan. Try ko dito. Gusto kong tumpusa. Monster.
Tahingi ako.
Nadulas siya eh.
Alright guys, kakatapos lang namin maglaro ng claw machine. Sayang no? Kasi hindi namin na video dahil focus kami sa paglalaro. Pero we managed to able to get Kurumi. And yung brother ko si Charles, nakakuha siya ng Kirby. Ito, Kirby. Ayan, yung picture ni Charles. So, ang nagastos namin guys para makakuha ng dalawang toys worth 500 pesos for 2. Ayan. Alright guys, and just like that, tapos na kaming mag-celebrate ng birthday ng aking brother and grandpa. So maraming salamat sa pagsama sa video ito. I-end ko na itong vlog and see you again on my next YouTube upload. Bye!
Bye-bye!